Hey guys, this is your friend Maina from Civil Center and welcome also back to our channel. So friends, in today's video we'll show you how to create a road in Revit software. So if you want to know how to create this building and also the step-by-step procedure, check our Revit playlist, or you can also do that using the links which has been given in our description. So having said that, let's continue in this today's video to make our road. So first of all, let me make the materials which will be used in the road. We'll go to manage, we'll go to materials, and I want to create a road material. So I'll go and here create new material, and I want to rename this, and then I'll just do this as road. And after that I want to go and click on this, open my appearance library, go to site work, and then I choose this asphalt dark gray. Just double click on this, and this is the closest we can have to the road. Just close this, click on apply, click on OK, and our material for the road is ready now. Now let's place the road. So let's go to the top view, and after going to the top view, let's switch to the hidden line so that I can work better. And you can go to this massing and site, and after that this sub region. So in this sub region option, we'll just can select a rectangle here and draw a rectangle, and you can will change the dimensions of the rectangle later. Just select this, and we want this as your 20 feet width road, and this is okay. And let's create this, and after we have created this, we'll apply the material, as you can see, road, and then click on OK. Want to check this in the 3D view? That's how it looks. Turn on the realistic view. So as you can see, this is our road. Now it's time for some separators. Go to the top view, and here we will place some separators. For that, use the site component option, edit type, and here load. We'll go to the parking option. Parking option you'll find here, whatever family you have, English Imperial, US Imperial. In that you'll go to this parking or site first, and then your parking, and then we'll find this pavement stripe. So using this pavement stripe, I'll work here, click on OK, and here I'll have the two options. I'll just press space. I want my vertical pavement stripe. This space will change the orientation of this. If you want, you can just turn on the this hidden line, so you can work better. So here you can place, once you place this, and then we'll show you. Let's place the two stripe like this, let's place, click on escape, and let's see the center. Let's click on subregion. Where is the center? Just for evaluating, where is the center? There is a center here. So I'm just taking a line. I'll just use this as a reference. So now this is my center. So what I can do, just click on this close option. I don't need this now, just taken it for reference. Since this is my center, I'll just select this and move this a bit. This will mesh two stripes, and this also little bit movement, and little bit here. Now it's done. Now what I'll do, I'll just use some more components here. Go to edit type, and I'll use this duplicate option, or else I can just load here. I'll load here some more components like this arrows, direction arrows. Let's see, straight arrows I will take, and we'll place. Okay, Ctrl Z to duplicate this. First go to this side component, and then place space like this. Will place the direction arrows, plus space like this. We can place the direction arrows. So once we have placed this, just select all these things and then copy, and then we can copy it from here to this. let's give us a suitable distance. Let's 20 feet distance, just for maintaining the regularity. 20 feet, 20 feet. So once we have done that, and after that you can just check out in the 3D view how it looks like. Turn on your realistic view. So this is how it looks like. We have a road with the directions. You can also, you already know how to place some trees and other components. You can do that, and hope after watching this video all your doubts have been cleared on how to create our roads in the Revit software. Now let's see how our render view looks like. So let's see, let's go to a level 1, and we have this render views, and I'll just go for rough render view. Go to this view here, and we'll have this 3D view camera, and in this camera I'll just select this view maybe, and let's see how this view looks like. Okay, this is how this is looking like. I'll change this, and we have a nice road. Just do a little bit like this, and this is our view. Let's go and go select this realistic. So this is a view which we have, and let's do a simple render of this, and go to this option of view here, and then render, and I'll go for a simple render and go click this render option. Render is started. So after your render has been done, make sure you export the option here, export rendering to file, and you have this option of save to project and image. We'll export this and save this in, let's say we'll save this in our my computer pictures, 3D view to save this, and also we can save this to our project 3D view 2.1. so like this you have the rendered file. So hope you learned something from this video. See you in the upcoming videos, and if you want professional training or guidance, you can contact us using the link which has been given in the description, and also the WhatsApp numbers given. Bye bye.